Hello and welcome to our day number 15 of our letters challenge for February 2019. Today we are lettering Let kindness lead your acts. Have fun. For today's lettering I will be using two gel pens. This is one white pen and a golden one. I will be using this colored paper. And this is the layout I have in mind to do, and I will be using this as a reference. I will be using this erasable pen in color gray to trace the words first and then to trace them with the pens to do the final piece. And now it's done. Have a very kind day. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let me know in the comment if you like it. Bye!